Yes, we've arrived. This is our hangout spot today, folks. A nice little spot carved out. A little streamy. A little water riptide there. Little waterfall over here. You know, it's very nice to walk on these rocks. You know, chill little spot. All of this water comes from a waterfall up that way. You go up here more and around, and then do around. You end up there. There's a waterfall. But like I said, it's supposed to rain, so I don't want to get caught in that. See if we can see any fishies. Any fishies down here? Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I don't see anything there. Nature. Nature's wonderful. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. I hope you're enjoying this first episode of Nature with Errrjay. Nature with Errrjay. I crack myself up. What do you guys like to do in the woods? Do you cook out? Do you camp? I don't mind camping. I just can't do it for too long. I feel too dirty. I know. What a pussy. But it's the truth. You know me. No lies. Yes. Yes. I usually come to the woods just to, soak in some trees of different varieties, you know what I mean? And just chill out, for a few minutes. This is a nice little spot for me. It's not too far from my house, so if I ever want to, I could just, it's like a 10-minute drive here, and then like another 15-minute walk. So, if I have an hour or so to kill, I'll come here. But on the next episode, I'm going to try to see if I can get to the waterfall. There was a log you could cross, but then a flood came, and I believe it washed the log away. And I don't know if there's another way now, but I got water shoes, so if the water's not too deep, I should be able to cross it. If it's only a couple inches deep, I'll be able to cross it. What do you guys think of this place? Do you think it's nice? I think it's nice. Oh, I see some smoke. I hope there's no fire. I crack myself up. Whenever, it's been a crazy year. So nature has been very much needed this year. It's so soothing and calming and relaxing. It's just nice. Hear the sound of water, a cool breeze in the shade. Got some rock artwork going on over here. See? Some more over here. Some more over there. Let me see if I could zoom. See it? See it over there? Sorry, my arm's getting kind of tired, but I don't care. The sun above. It's a nice day until it rains again. Got my green tea. Green tea in my water bottle. Yes. Yes. This is such a nice spot. Such a nice spot. Yes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Nature with Errrjay. Until next time, folks. Oh shit. Almost fell again. Until next time, folks. Stay safe out there. Enjoy some nature. And have a nice day. Bye. Bonus scene for this dinosaur rock art. Thank you for joining me. Bye.